Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on the do while loop, and yeah, let's just start off. This is the main function. This is where the program execution will start. Here I've initialized a variable I to be equal to 3, which is of data type int, which is the short form for integer. Then we have the do while loop. So basically this is how it looks like. So we have a do, of course, and then we have an opening parenthesis, and then inside the parenthesis, this is basically the start of the body of the do while loop. So inside the body we have a printf statement which prints the sun rises in the east and a new line character, and then we increment the value of I by 1, and we close the bracket, and then after the bracket you will have a while and the condition inside two brackets. As you know, here the condition is I less than 8, as you can see. So what basically happens is we have initialized I to be 3. So now this loop, the body of this loop will execute at least once, and the sun rises in the east is printed. The sun rises in the east is printed, and I increments by 1 to become 4. Now this 4 is compared to 8. Basically, let's plug in the value of 4 here, and 4 is less than 8, so which means the condition is satisfied. So now the control will jump back to do, and this body will be executed again, and I increments by 1. So now I becomes 5, and 5, and let's compare 5. Let's plug in the value of 5 here. So 5 is less than 8, which is true, and the control again jumps back to the do, jumps back here, jumps back to do, and the body of this do while loop is executed. This happens until this condition is dissatisfied. So when I becomes 8, let's plug in the value there. 8 is less than 8, which is of course false, and the control jumps out of this loop and executes the immediate next statement after this, which is nothing but the getch, and getch of course is used so that the compiler screen doesn't just flash and vanish. And this is the end of the program. So now let's just verify the output by compiling and running it. So as you can see, the sun rises in the east has been printed 5 times. So now how this loop is different from the other loops is this part of the loop, which is the body of the do while, is executed at least once, no matter what this condition is. So let's just say let's initialize I to be 10. You can see the condition check happens only after these statements are executed. So this a printf statement will be executed at least once, no matter what the value of I is. So let's just check that. So as you can see, the sun rises in the east has been printed once. So basically the condition checking is happening after executing the body of the do while loop at least once. See you in the next tutorial. That's it from my side. Thank you.